Hello, today we are making sausages in cooking cream. This is boiling water. This is macaroni. So we are gonna put macaroni in the boiling water. And then we'll mix the sausage. After mixing the sausage, we need to mix the macaroni. The macaroni are ready, so we'll get rid of the water. The sausages are also ready. Then we will pour the macaroni with the sausages. Then we will mix the sausages with the macaroni. We will pour the cream inside. We'll put some water. After putting the water, don't forget to mix the sausages and the macaroni. Finally, put some vegeta inside. After putting vegeta, mix it all together. And finally, we'll put some cheese inside. When the cheese melts, the food is ready.